Hi there, it's Saturday the 10th of January 2015 and my name's Andy Rowe. This is trendfollower.co.uk and welcome on board. In this video I'm going to go through the key indices that I like to look at each week and just see how they're doing. So I'm going to start off with the French index, which went down this week. So it looks like the market is falling. There's a succession of lower highs. There are some lower lows, but a higher low here. It's fallen through the MA20, so the MA20, the moving average of the past 20 weeks, is lower than the moving average of the past year. So to me, this is a short sale. I'm short the French market indirectly through an ETF, but this is looking like it's going down. So there we go. The DAX has moved down, but it's moved down from a sort of previous high. So not quite so persuasive of a down move. The MA20 and the MA50 are pretty much at the same level. So is it going up? Is it going down? Who knows? Hard to say. The Dow Jones Industrial Average went down quite a lot this week, but then recovered as the week finished off. So we've got a candle that's got a very long bottom tail to it. So sometimes that can be indicative of a rise or potentially a rise in prices the following week. You can see down at the bottom of this dip, the candle had quite a long tail. So the implication is that during the week the price dropped, but then the buying pressure built up, and then you can see the following week how much it went up, and you can see this often at the bottom of dips. So along bottom tail, Ditto when prices move down, you'll find it often a tail on the top of the candle. So there was buying pressure, but it couldn't sustain it, and the sellers overcame the buyers, pushing the price down as the week went by, and so the candle ends up with a long top tail, meaning that prices would go down the following weeks, which they did there. So you can see these, and it doesn't always work. Sometimes it's the other way around, but more often than not, that will be the case at peaks and at troughs. So you'll see these candles that'll mark turning points. Is this a turning point? Who knows? We'll find out next week, won't we? The next week or two anyway. The FTSE 100 went down quite a lot this week and recovered somewhat. It looks like it's pretty much trailing sideways. The 100, the UK index. So nothing sort of fantastic to report there. The FTSE 250 has gone down somewhat. I had a short position on this, but it got stopped out the previous week. So that was a bit of a blow, and I'll talk about it in another video. But it went down again. It looks like it's sort of going sideways. It is, the price is above the moving average 50, so the average for the year. But we've got a couple of down-going candles. It seems to be a bit indecisive to me. Ditto the FTSE 350. Nasdaq was all over the place this week, but really finished pretty much where it started. So not much to report there. The Nikkei, the Japanese index, has not done a load this week, so gone down slightly. The PIMCO bond fund went up quite a lot. So this last week and the week before, quite strong rises in that bond fund. This is my funny government inverse Japanese government bond futures ETF idea, which I've been reading about, and it continues to fall. This is a highly leveraged product, and the idea is, if the Japanese government default on their bonds, which some people think is a possibility in the future, that this could skyrocket. So I like to watch this just because I do. Will I trade it? Well, who knows, maybe. We'll see. The The S&P 500 didn't do much this week. Went down, went up. Or, it's all over the place. So very volatile, really. Indices have been this week. The Aussie market went up a bit, so the price has risen up through the average for the year. It's got a long tail underneath it. So is that about to take off? Maybe. We don't know. So gold went up this week. So GLD. This is the American gold ETF, which is very commonly traded. So is this the bottom down here? Is this the beginning of the rise? Been up through the MA20. Is it going to go? We shall see. No one knows. TR Property, which has UK and European property in it, moved up a bit this week, so that's doing very well. Oil, oh my goodness, oil went down further. But interestingly, look at the volume. The volume is increasing with oil. People are starting to see it really as a buy, I think. So I bought some oil here. So those shares are going down, but that's fine. I'll just hang in there because at some stage, my feeling is that oil is going to bounce. When? So we'll see. But on my ETF shares can just hang around. I haven't got a stop loss on them, so just they won't go to zero. Vanguard's total bond market ETF has gone up, so that's good. And I think that's it. So in summary, quite a few of the indices went down a bit this week. European ones perhaps more so than the US ones. The US ones have been sort of down and up again. So quite a a roller coaster ride for people trading those indices. Quite difficult to do. Bonds have done well. Gold's moved up a little bit. Situation normal, sort of uncertainty, but it's always uncertain, really, isn't it? Even when it's certain, it's uncertain. So there we go, my views on the market, and hope you guys have a great week and a good 2015. It's the new year. This is my first market review of 2015, so I'm looking forward to doing lots more as the years go by, and I hope you'll come with me on the journey and enjoy the ride. Okay, see you then. Bye.